Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Tilgur is similar to toffee made with til, that is sesame seeds, and jaggery, that is gur. We will dry roast 1 cup sesame seeds or til till they splutter. You can see they have become slightly bigger in size and light brown. Don't burn them. Remove in a plate. Now grease a wooden board and rolling pin to roll the chickpea. After it is done, it should be rolled very fast, so we need to do this in advance and keep. Now take 1 cup of jaggery, little less than 1 cup or 1 cup will also do. Use 2 tablespoon water to make the syrup. The jaggery has to dissolve, so keep stirring on low flame to make a syrup. Don't make the flame high, it will burn. Now once it is all dissolved, you can cook it on high flame till the sugar syrup thickens. We have to check the consistency of the sugar syrup by dropping in water. We want it hard, so once it is, you can roll it, see, and it is crisp and brittle, then the sugar syrup is ready. So we will now add the ghee, 1 teaspoon, to get a good shine, and 1 pinch baking soda. See the syrup, it has changed color, it is looking white now. Add quarter teaspoon cardamom powder and switch off the gas. And now add roasted sesame seeds which we had roasted earlier. Mix quickly, and now we will have to roll this immediately or it will become very hard. So this needs lot of practice and the timing has to be correct. Otherwise the sesame seeds tilgul will become hard in the kadai itself. Now transfer to a wooden board. Do all this very carefully. It can burn your hand, and whatever is stuck to the spoon, remove it with a knife or something and roll it as thin as possible quickly, and then cut. When it is hot, you have to make marks. Mark it into squares. Do not cut the entire chickpea now itself. Just do the markings and leave it for say 20 minutes or half an hour to cool. Now the chickpea is ready. So when you remove it very carefully so that it doesn't break, means doesn't break unevenly. It will break into cubes. Be very careful. Yeah. Otherwise it will lose its shape. The side ones cannot be displayed. It is for the cook to eat. Now this is Sankranti special Tilgur which is ready. This is a speciality of Sankranti in Goa. Happy cooking, and we serve this Tilgur Chikki for Haldi Kukums on the day of Sankranti, that is 14 January every year. You can see how crisp and nice it has come out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.